Neville Goddard, a pioneer in the field of metaphysics, left an indelible mark on those seeking to understand the power of the mind and its influence on reality. Born in Barbados in 1905, Goddard's teachings revolved around the profound concept that imagination creates reality. His influence continues to resonate, offering guidance to those who seek to harness the power of their thoughts to manifest positive change in their lives. In this video, we delve into Neville Goddard's principles and explore how they can be applied to transform your life. Understanding Neville Goddard's principles. At the core of Neville Goddard's philosophy lies the belief that imagination is not merely a realm of fantasy, but a potent force that shapes our reality. According to Goddard, the law dictates that our predominant thoughts and feelings manifest in our external world, a concept succinctly encapsulated in his famous phrase, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled." This principle underscores the transformative potential of our inner world in shaping our external circumstances. Central to Goddard's teachings is the promise which emphasizes that every individual has the inherent ability to manifest their desires through the power of imagination. By aligning our thoughts and emotions with the desired outcome, we activate the creative forces of the universe to bring our aspirations into fruition. One of the fundamental practices advocated by Goddard is living in the end, which entails assuming the mental state of already having attained our desires. By vividly imagining the desired outcome and embodying the corresponding emotions, we establish a resonance with our aspirations, thereby facilitating their materialization. Practical application of Goddard's principles. To effectively apply Neville Goddard's principles, it is imperative to adopt a systematic approach. Define your desire. Clearly articulate your desired outcome, ensuring it is specific, measurable, and aligned with your deepest aspirations. To manifest your desires effectively, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of what you truly want. Take the time to reflect on your deepest aspirations and articulate them in a concise and specific manner. Your desire should be framed in positive terms and be achievable within a reasonable time frame. By defining your desire with clarity, you provide a clear direction for your subconscious mind to focus its creative energy towards its fulfillment. Enter a state akin to sleep. Before drifting off to sleep, enter a state of deep relaxation, akin to a meditative state, where the conscious mind relinquishes control, allowing access to the subconscious realm. Before entering the realm of sleep, transition into a state of deep relaxation akin to meditation. This state, often referred to as the hypnagogic state, is characterized by a heightened receptivity to suggestions and a diminished influence of the conscious mind. By quieting the mental chatter and allowing yourself to drift into this receptive state, you create an optimal environment for accessing the power of your subconscious mind. Construct a scene implying the fulfillment of the desire. In this altered state of consciousness, vividly imagine a scene that encapsulates the fulfillment of your desire. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as lifelike as possible. In this altered state of consciousness, engage your imagination to construct a vivid scene that represents the fulfillment of your desire. Visualize yourself actively participating in this scene, experiencing it with all your senses as if it were unfolding in the present moment. Pay attention to the details of the environment, the emotions evoked, and the interactions with others involved. By immersing yourself fully in this visualization, you activate the creative forces of the subconscious mind to bring your desire into manifestation. Feel the reality of the state achieved. Immerse yourself fully in the envisioned scene, experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with having already attained your desire. This emotional resonance strengthens the manifestation process. As you visualize the scene representing the fulfillment of your desire, cultivate a deep sense of emotional resonance with the experience. Allow yourself to feel the joy, gratitude, and fulfillment associated with having already attained your desire. By generating these positive emotions within yourself, you establish a powerful vibrational frequency that aligns with the reality you seek to create. Embrace these feelings wholeheartedly, knowing that they are the catalysts for materializing your desires in the physical world. Maintain faith and persist in this state. Sustain unwavering faith in the inevitability of your desire's manifestation, even in the face of apparent obstacles or delays. Consistent reinforcement of the desired mental state reinforces its potency, hastening its realization. In the journey of manifestation, unwavering faith serves as the cornerstone of success. Even in the face of doubts, setbacks, or apparent delays, Maintain a steadfast belief in the inevitability of your desire's manifestation. Consistently reinforce the mental state of having already achieved your desire, affirming its reality with conviction and certainty. Trust in the divine timing of the universe and persist in holding on to the vision of your desired outcome. By nurturing this unwavering faith and persistence, you amplify the potency of your manifestations and accelerate their realization. Incorporating these steps into your daily practice empowers you to harness the transformative power of Neville Goddard's principles, enabling you to manifest your deepest desires and create the life you envision. Real-life success stories. Let's delve into the real-life experiences of individuals who have undergone profound transformations through the diligent application of Neville Goddard's principles. Sarah's journey to professional fulfillment. Sarah had always harbored a passion for the arts, yet found herself trapped in a corporate job that stifled her creativity. Day after day, she grappled with the gnawing sense of dissatisfaction, yearning for a career that would ignite her soul. Determined to break free from the shackles of her uninspiring job, Sarah turned to Neville Goddard's principles as her guiding light. With unwavering resolve, Sarah embarked on a journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Each night, before drifting off to sleep, she immersed herself in vivid visualizations of her dream career. In the sanctuary of her mind, she saw herself walking confidently into a bustling studio, surrounded by fellow artists, bathed in the warm glow of creative inspiration. With each visualization, Sarah infused her imagination with a palpable sense of joy and fulfillment, anchoring herself in the belief that her desired reality was not only possible but inevitable. Months passed, and Sarah's steadfast dedication bore fruit in ways she could never have imagined. One fateful day, she received an unexpected email, a job offer from a prestigious art studio renowned for fostering creativity and innovation. As she read the words on the screen, tears of joy streamed down her face, for she knew that her dreams were finally coming to fruition. Sarah's journey to professional fulfillment serves as a testament to the transformative power of imagination and faith. Through her unwavering belief in the inevitability of her desired outcome, she transcended the confines of her circumstances and stepped into a reality aligned with her deepest aspirations. John's path to reconciliation and healing. John carried the weight of unresolved resentment and hurt in his heart, stemming from a strained relationship with his estranged father. The wounds of the past ran deep, casting a shadow over his present and hindering his ability to experience true peace and fulfillment. Desperate for resolution, John turned to the teachings of Neville Goddard in search of healing and reconciliation. With humility and courage, John embarked on a journey of inner exploration and forgiveness. Each night, as he surrendered to the embrace of sleep, he delved into the recesses of his subconscious mind, weaving scenes of reconciliation and healing with his father. In these sacred moments of visualization, John saw himself sitting across from his father, their hearts open and vulnerable, as they shared tears, laughter, and forgiveness. Through the power of imagination, he released the grip of resentment and embraced the possibility of a renewed relationship grounded in love and understanding. As the days turned into weeks, John noticed subtle shifts occurring within himself and in his relationship with his father. Walls that once seemed insurmountable began to crumble, replaced by bridges of compassion and empathy. Then, one unexpected afternoon, John received a phone call from his father, an invitation to meet for coffee, a gesture extending an olive branch of reconciliation. In the quiet corner of a cafe, father and son came together, their hearts heavy with the weight of the past yet buoyed by the promise of a shared future. In that moment of profound connection, John realized that the healing he had long sought had finally found its way to him. Through the transformative power of imagination and forgiveness, he not only healed the wounds of the past but forged a newfound bond with his father rooted in love and authenticity. Sarah and John's stories serve as poignant reminders of the boundless potential that lies within each of us to shape our reality through the power of imagination and belief. By daring to envision a new reality and holding fast to the unwavering faith in its inevitability, they transcended the limitations of their circumstances and stepped into lives of profound fulfillment, healing, and reconciliation. As Neville Goddard once said, "Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and with your assumption, all things are possible." In the tapestry of life, May their stories inspire us to weave our own narratives of transformation, guided by the eternal truth that within us lies the power to manifest our deepest desires and create the life of our dreams. In the tapestry of life, the threads of our thoughts weave the fabric of our reality. Neville Goddard's principles serve as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards self-empowerment and transformation. By harnessing the creative potency of imagination and aligning our consciousness with our deepest desires, we unlock the infinite possibilities that lie dormant within us. As Goddard aptly remarked, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and with your assumption, all things are possible. May these principles serve as catalysts for profound metamorphosis, enabling you to sculpt the life of your dreams with unwavering faith and boundless imagination. Powerful visualization exercise stepping into your desired reality. Visualization is a potent tool for manifesting your deepest desires and bringing them to fruition. This guided exercise will lead you through a journey of imagination, enabling you to vividly envision and embody the reality you wish to create. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and immerse yourself fully in the visualization process. Take a few moments to center yourself and set a clear intention for this visualization exercise. What is the specific desire or goal that you wish to manifest? Visualize it in your mind's eye, articulating it with clarity and conviction. Feel the excitement and anticipation coursing through your veins as you envision the fulfillment of your deepest desires. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths, allowing each inhalation to fill you with a sense of calm and serenity. With each exhale, release any tension or resistance stored within your body and mind. Feel yourself sinking deeper into a state of profound relaxation, surrendering to the present moment. Visualize yourself standing at the threshold of a sacred space within your mind, a place where the boundaries of reality dissolve, and the realm of infinite possibilities unfolds before you. As you step into this sanctuary of imagination, feel the vibrant energy pulsating all around you, inviting you to explore and create without limitations. As you traverse this inner landscape, engage all your senses to bring your desired reality to life. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of your surroundings. Hear the sounds of success and fulfillment echoing in the air. Feel the warmth of accomplishment radiating from within you. Taste the sweetness of victory on your lips. Smell the fragrance of abundance and prosperity permeating the atmosphere. Now, visualize yourself actively participating in the reality you wish to create. See yourself achieving your goals with ease and confidence. Feel the exhilaration of success coursing through your veins. Embrace the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment as if your desired reality were already a tangible reality in the present moment. As you immerse yourself fully in this visualization, feel your vibrational frequency aligning with the frequency of your desired reality. With each breath, feel yourself becoming a magnet for the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will support the manifestation of your deepest desires. Know that you are a powerful co-creator of your reality, and the universe is conspiring to bring your aspirations to fruition. Before concluding the visualization exercise, take a moment to express gratitude for the manifestation of your desires. Feel a profound sense of appreciation for the journey that has brought you to this moment and the journey that lies ahead. Release any attachment to the outcome, trusting in the divine timing of the universe and surrendering to the flow of life. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment, gently wiggling your fingers and toes. Take a few deep breaths to ground yourself in the here and now. Know that the seeds of your desires have been planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind, and they will continue to blossom and grow in divine timing. As you integrate this powerful visualization exercise into your daily practice, trust in the process and remain open to the myriad ways in which your desires may manifest. Remember that the power to create the life of your dreams lies within you, and through the art of visualization, you can pave the way for a reality filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment.